Secret weapon! Hooked up again! Tubing worm! Not having a great day, but we're having to pick the fish. Right. 2 16-pound fish on live bunker. A few blues. Bass is starting to come now. I think the tide is starting to move. And we're catching them. Better not be a... Oh, it's a bass. That's the way you do it. All right, buddy. How about it? Not easy, but it's a pick. Not yet. I see I'm getting too close. Nothing major, man. A few bass this morning. Mostly bluefish again. Live line wasn't really helping. We tried. I had two 16-pound fish. Tuba worms definitely. Secret weapon, scoring fish. Hooked up another one. Come on, baby. This one I can almost manage by hand. Nice fish. Easy, girl, easy. Jamaica Bay. Way to go. Oh, so I see what's going on. You were waiting to catch the big one. Kayak calls tubes, man. They catch little fish, they catch nice ones too. Just hooked into a good one here. I don't know who's winning the battle yet. What time is it? Let's see, 6:30. Yo, Elias, he's got a good fish, man. No, he's got a 30-pound bass, dude. You'd be surprised. Where's your net? I don't even see a net. We'll see. I'm telling you, man. No way. You're kidding me, man. That's why I was fighting so damn hard. Oh, man. He got you good, man. Watch your fingers. Good job, Cliff. Not bad. Not killing him, but a little bit of action. Tubing worms the way to go right now. Very limited action on the live bunker this morning. There's a few hit or miss fish, and that was it. And it was done and over with. So stick with the tubing worm. All right, let me get some more. Tubing worm strikes again, man. What do you got? Nice bass, man. It's a bass. You're good. You think you can pick a lighter rod? You're insane, man. You hit hard though, huh?
He wasn't happy with me. Tube slippery.
Wonder why. Everything I got on me is slippery. Yeah, that fish is beating you up, dude.
You know, the wind, I can't move the wind too good.
Alright, good job, man. You gotta get bigger.
Not even.
Nice fish. We're starting to load up on the schoolies. Yeah, have a nice day. Not bad, can't complain. A lot of 24 to 26 inch fish now. Alright, still have a nice day, totally calm. Alright, no 30s and 40s like we're looking for, but we keep... Go Cliff, man, nice fish. Nah, I don't think so, not the way it was shaking. There's enough blues in here, but We just had 3 bass in a row, so should be a bass. Maybe it's that yellow boat. Oh, he saw the boat.